Hi guys, it's Tigalip from Tech by Tigalip, and today I am going to explain LAMP. So without further ado, let's get started, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. To subscribe my YouTube channel, you just have to hit the let's subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get notifications of all future videos. I have already told you LAMP is random access memory. It's a temporary memory. Suppose you have installed an application software on your Windows PC or on your Android device. The application software has been installed in your hard disk or in your ROM according to the device you are using, not in your RAM. And now when you are opening the application software, your RAM will take the necessary data files of the application from your hard disk or from your ROM according to the device you are using, and your RAM will give the necessary data files of the application to your CPU, and your CPU will analyze the application data files, and then the application will be opened. So this is the main job of LAMP. LAMP gives speed to applications. The speed performance of your device depends on LAMP. Now let me talk about how our Android or PCs get slow and what is the speed of LAMP. Actually, RAM is so fast memory. It is faster than ROM, hard drive, pen drive, etc. etc. There are different type of RAMs like DDR, DDR2 and DDR3. They have a difference of speed. Like DDR2 is faster than DDR. It controls the speed of our devices. Our devices get slow because of having low RAM in our device. Low RAM can't load everything that our CPU needed. So some data files have to be kept in the slower hard drive. Hard drive is slower than RAM, as I said before that our RAM is faster than hard drive. And the data files coming from CPU to hard drive, they have to do some more works. That's why they need more time to list the hard drive, and it makes our devices slow. Now the question is, can we upgrade LAMP? The answer is yes for the laptop and PC users, but not for the Android users. Laptop and PC users can buy LAMP from marketplace and they can use it for their laptops or PCs, but Android users can't. They can install custom LAMP, but custom LAMP doesn't increase your RAM. I have already told you our RAM is faster than our ROM, hard drive, pen drive, etc. etc. And custom RAM converts some storage space from our internal storage to RAM, but the customly installed RAM can't be fast as the built-in RAM. I have already told you the cause. So there would be an unbalanced situation and your device would be slower than before. So don't install custom RAM. It is also forbidden by the top YouTubers. So guys, if you found this video useful, please like it. If you have any question, problem or feedback, please write it in the comment box. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get more tech and scientific videos like this. Your likes motivate me so much. So please press the like button if you found this video useful. And this is a new YouTube channel, so please help us to grow. Work for good, don't look for the reward. Help others, don't expect any return. Thanks for watching and goodbye.